Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm here with the DRP Enterprises team where we're building a deck. We're rebuilding a deck. We have a new homeowner here, and this is a unique one, but it does happen, where the customer wanted a wood deck and not a composite deck. They had a dark brown composite deck, wasn't built real well, and the dog that she has does not like to sit out on the hot surface. So she wanted to go with something a little bit cooler. She likes wood. And what we did here was we actually extended the deck and we put on a real nice pressure treated, kiln dried prime wood that has no knots, that is just really beautiful wood. It's made for decking. That's what we like to do with the products that we have here and what we're working with. So you hear the compressor going on. We're actually out here on a site. The guys are finishing up the deck, and that's what we do here at DRP Enterprises, is we got a team of people that are out here working on these jobs. We'll do everything at the end of this job. We're finishing up the railings, finishing up the fascia, and so forth. And when we get done, we're gonna clean this deck up. We're gonna have it ready. This is only the 3rd of January. It's nice out for southern New Jersey. We're gonna stain this come March when it comes a little bit cooler. But for now, this is what we're gonna get done. But we're gonna clean this up today. We're gonna use a pressure washer, believe it or not, get it cleaned up a little bit, just low pressure, get off our dirt debris from our construction. And then we're gonna clean up the fascia, the white, the vinyl. We're gonna use some soap on that, get that cleaned up. It's gonna look like a brand new deck. But as you can see, the guys are still working, finishing up. We've got all new lattice up here. We've got new fascia, we've got our new wood, got new railings up. We'll post in this video a before picture of what this looked like before we got started, and you'll be like, wow, holy cow, this is unbelievable. But this is the kind of work we do at DRP Enterprises. So whether it's a wood deck, a composite deck, a hybrid deck, PVC deck, whatever type of deck it is, we can do that. Whatever kind of railing, whether it's a wood railing, a vinyl railing, a metal railing, a glass railing, a cable railing, we do it all. So take a look at this to get on our schedule, to learn more about Deck Restoration Plus products that we use to stain the decks with, or the DRP Enterprises team and the work that we do. Just follow along the videos, subscribe, check us out, give us a call, get you on an estimate, get you on a schedule, and so forth. So I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thank you for checking out the DRP Enterprises team live on a location in Medford, New Jersey, working on a deck that we're completing today. Happy New Year.